Arthur-Compton. Just for a refresher, I work at Holmes Middle School in Alexandria, Virginia, part of Fairfax County. We have grades 6 through 8, and we are a large English language learner. We have a large English language learner population. I am the special education department chair there. The problem that I want to focus on are English language learner students' math SOL scores are well below their peers. When concluding the fishbone activity last week, I did do it for reading scores at the time, and I've since switched, but I think most of them are pretty similar. And I found that the four kind of root causes when I went through this activity were the instruction, so lack of differentiated instruction and PD for students who teach ELL students, resources mostly at home. Parents are either not home when students get home to help them, or they don't have as high of education in their home country. Class availability, unlike SPED, there aren't a lot of intervention classes offered for ELL students. And then duly identified students mostly receive SPED services over ELL services, since it is a legal document. I did include two graphs or tables that I put in my improvement plan proposal that I think are important and why this deserves attention. So as you can see, overall math SOL data is for my school was below, but FCPS and the state, they weren't above 80%. But then when we take a look at the ELL SOL pass rates, if we look here in the blue, this is for math SOLs, and my school was well below, but as well as the Fairfax County and the state were well below at 36 and 37%. So looking forward to learning more.